Hi, I am Gaurav Patel. I came from DNC Laser and Ambica Profile and Coating. And we are here for Messer Open House. They are introducing their new technologies and showing the exposure about new technologies and what is existing, what we can explore and what we can do better in our life and our factory. Here we show that plasma having bewailing facilities is very good. Laser also having that bewailing facilities is also very good. We have seen how we can apply and where we can do that better applications. And the team also good, team experience also good. They are explaining very well that we get the idea about the future expansions and future applications and current application solutions also, and how we can go for better. And we have also placed the order for plasma cutting machines. And also we have seen that the new technology of hydrogen cutting, and we have also ordered that hydrogen technology. And we are very much satisfied in that case. Thank you.